In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Midjourney image variations. We'll walk through finding the site, opening your image, and using the V controls to create thoughtful alternates, with clear guidance so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and press Enter. From the results, click the official Midjourney website. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead so you can access your workspace and previous generations. Once you're in, look for the area where you create and manage images. Select Create to open the workspace where your recent outputs are accessible. Now, choose the image you want to vary. Pick something you've already generated that's close to what you want, because a strong base gives you better variations. This is your reference point, and the more solid it is, the more useful your results will be. With that image open, locate the V command. Click the V button, and you'll see two choices, V Subtle and V Strong. V Subtle makes small, careful adjustments while preserving the core look. Think minor changes to composition, lighting, texture, or little design elements. Use this when you already like the image and just want a handful of close alternatives to compare. V Strong goes further. It explores bolder shifts in style, mood, or arrangement, and it's ideal when you want to push the concept into a noticeably different direction without starting from scratch. After selecting your variation strength, give Midjourney a moment to process. You'll get a fresh grid of options derived from your chosen image. Review them closely. If one looks promising, you can run the V command on that new version to keep refining the direction. If a variation feels too conservative, try Strong next time. If it feels like it strays too far, step back to Subtle. This controlled back and forth is the key to dialing in the result. As you evaluate, focus on the elements that matter most to your goal: color palette, subject placement, lighting, and overall mood. Compare candidates side by side and notice what improves with each pass. A few deliberate rounds are often all it takes to land on a version that feels just right. That's the workflow. Open Google, find the Midjourney site, enter your workspace, go to your generated image via Create, select the image, then use the V command with Subtle or Strong to produce variations. Repeat intentionally, and you'll shape the image into exactly what you need.